In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com AI assistant. Let's dive right in and get started. When you're ready, start by navigating to your Monday.com dashboard. Here, you'll want to keep an eye on the upper right corner of your screen, specifically the profile icon. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. This is your gateway to accessing all the admin features you might need on this platform. Now, once you've clicked on the profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. You'll want to look for and select the administration option. This will take you to another area where you'll gain access to more detailed settings. The administration section is essentially where you can manage a lot of the more technical aspects of your Monday.com setup, and this is where the magic really begins. With the administrative panel open, the next step is to click on Customization. This is where you can tailor your Monday.com experience to better fit your needs and workflow. Customization options can make all the difference in how your team interacts with the platform, so feel free to explore other settings here once we're done enabling the AI features. Next up, you'll want to select Features. This section is crucial because it's where you'll find the AI tools that we're aiming to activate. These features are designed to streamline your workflow by using artificial intelligence to augment your project management experience. After selecting features, it's time to scroll down just a tad until you find the option to enable AI features. Once you see it, click to enable. By turning on these features, you're unlocking a host of capabilities that can help automate and optimize your processes, making your time on Monday.com not only more efficient, but also more productive. Now that you've enabled the AI features, you'll surely want to try them out, right? To do this, head over to one of your boards and navigate to the Documents section. This is where you can start experimenting with the newly activated AI assistant. This tool can help with a variety of tasks, from drafting documents to analyzing data trends, making it an invaluable part of your team's toolkit. And that's it. You've successfully set up and are ready to start using the Monday.com AI assistant. Remember, the more you